Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel Cloud Crafting in Abhiworld. My name is Abhishek and you are watching Linux Zero to Hero series. So in today's video we are going to see filter and IO redirection. Filter and redirection. In this video we will talking about how to get data by filtering out, should I say, get the right data for me, and then also redirecting that data to a file or a program to process more further. If you really want to be smart in Linux, you should be very good in filtering and redirection. This is also very helpful in scripting. So we're going to see some filter command, and then we are also going to talk about input output redirection like filtering, grep command, and grep command to filter some text from the files. So grep commands is used to find text from any input text file. Okay. And also like grep command and less command display content, file content page wise or less. And also more command, more is exactly same like less. And also head command, that is used to display the more top 10 lines of the files. And also tails command, it is used to display the last 10 lines of the file. It is very useful to read the log, and many more. Getting a particular column from a file by using cut command, and also search and replace file content by using SAD or even Vim editor. We will see the redirecting output to a file and redirecting IO redirection and appending the content or redirecting all kinds of output to a file. We will see piping, and we will see pipe, and we will see how we can see the output of a content of a command as an input to other command, or passing instructions to the next command, which we will do some operation for us. Okay. We also see how to find the file with its name and some other parameters, and a few more tips and tricks of a system administrator. So I am in my Linux VM and I'm going to do sudo -i to become a root user. So sudo and -i to become a root user. Now I am a root user, and here we have a file. Like when I'm doing ls-l, then we have files like anaconda-ks.cfg. Okay. So if you we are going to do some operations on this file anaconda.ks.cfg. So if you wish to use any other file, that is also fine. So I have a file anaconda.ks.cfg, and I am looking for a text in that file, whether it's exists or not. Okay. So in this file I'm looking for a text, or it's exist or not. So let's see. So I have a command called grep. So grep and the word which we are going to search, firewall, and the file name like anaconda-ks.cfg. So it should be like firewall. So I have we are using the grep command. I'm going to say grep it's firewall, and basically look like a text or a text code. Okay, firewall. So command we use is grep, and the grep command and the word which we want to find, and the name of the file anaconda.ks.cfg, and then we enter, and we see here we got the word firewall from this file anaconda-ks.cfg. So it's very good. We search in this file by not going into the and we got that word firewall disabled. Okay. Now Linux is case sensitive, so you have both small and capital firewall. So we check that it's capital firewall is there or not. Okay. So Linux is case sensitive. Okay. So both are different. Firewall configuration is there. Okay. So now Linux is case sensitive, and it's only give us the small letter firewall, like what we write here. So if you want to ignore the case sensitivity, you can use -i. If you want all the firewalls which is there, small and capital and whatever there. So we use the -i in the grep command to see all the firewalls which is in anaconda-ks.cfg file. So we use the -i option, the command -i option, the word and the file. And then we see here the firewall which is in capital letter, the configuration is there, and a small letter also. Now here we see, let's edit this file and let's put somewhere some content. We will say firewall. Okay. F is small and capital. Okay. So anaconda. So we edit, we write something like in this. So fire, FIRE. So we have to go to the insert mode, FIRE and WALL, firewall. So if we firewall is off. So if we save this file by going to the extended mode and WQ. So now we see here by using -i here, if I am doing using -i as an option, Now no, there is no case sensitivity is there. Firewall F capital is there, small f is there, and F and W capital is there, and L capital is there. So this is very useful command to see all the options is there or not. So basically what we are doing here by running this command, so we are basically like I am just giving input over here of this file. When you talk about input, like this file, there is a redirection symbol. Okay, so basically what happened is happening this in this file coming as an input for this command. So we have a redirection symbol. So you see the same result. So like basically what happening, this is an input. This file is input of this command. So when this file inputs here, it's search the word firewall without case sensitivity. So it's a redirection symbol. It's automatically it's invisible in this. So like you see the same result. So that's by default you don't need to mention it. That's input redirection. That's just about one file. But what if I am looking for multiple file? This is like so if we want, so now if you want to see all the firewalls text in this directory, so we use grep and -i and we write firewall and then star for all. So now in anaconda.-ks.cfg file, three files are three text in this one file, and original -ks one text is here. But for a directory is throwing an error. DevOps like dir is a directory, so it's not going to get into the directory. If you wanted to get into the directory, we have another option. So now these commands and this option are very important. So if you want to go into the directory, so you have to use. So for this we have to apply hyphen capital ir. Okay, so this -ir is going to this directory also. So now you see here, like in the directory there is no firewall, but it's going to directory also. It's going no error. Since like there is no such things, you know that we will put this file into DevOps directory with a different name. Okay, so now like we will see cp and like in a small letter we cp and then anaconda.cfg in DevOps in a DevOps dir DevOps directory hyphen with different name. Okay, my booting file.cfg. So this line like copies this file copies in this directory with different name, my booting file.cfg. So this is also a useful command. If you want to copy with different names files, then you use this command. Okay, and then press enter, and then we have copied, and then we again run this command, and now we have like in the DevOps directory we have also this firewall with different file name. Okay, so now we see that it's also going to the directory. So this is very useful command to go to the directory files anywhere you want to go. Now that's interesting. Like now please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, and we will continue grep command and more commands, filter commands in next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.